Is it safe? Waduh, hati-hati, be careful. Because the Russian invasion will come to you.
Performance by
Masih ada YouTuber. You from Ukraine? Brother, how is Ukraine right now? Is it safe? Waduh, hati-hati, be careful. Because the Russian invasion will come to you. Anjir, gokil nih orang, kenapa gitar bisa di atas?
Okay.
You from Ukraine? What city do you live in? Kiev?
Yes.
Do you live in Kiev? Or Chernobyl?
Slowly. My English very bad.
Wow. Where do you live? Bro?
Ukraine. I'm from Ukraine.
Yeah, what city do you live in? What part of Ukraine do you live? Wah, macet langsung dong. Kena rudal Rusia langsung. Botak.
What up?
You from Israel, bro?
What?
Are you from Israel?
Palestine.
Oh, you're from Palestine. Oh, Gaza?
No.
No. Where?
Jerusalem.
Hah?
Jerusalem.
Yerusalem. Oh, Masjidil Al-Aqsa dong, Bang. Yeah. Are you Muslim, Bang?
Yes, of course.
Iya. Assalamualaikum, Bang.
Waalaikumsalam.
Iya. I'm from Indonesia,
From
Bang.
Singapore.
Indonesia.
You're from Indonesia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Greeting from all the people in Indonesia. For you.
Yeah, they're great.
Be safe, be safe. Is it safe over there?
Yes, of course.
Oh, good dah. Yeah, I hope always safe.
I
Because
hope that too.
if there is a war, there are so many civilian people will die.
Yes.
Brother, I don't support war.
Yes, me too.
I hope there is a peace, peaceful living in Jerusalem, and for Palestinian people, brother. Waduh, mantap. Tea, drinking tea. Waduh. You again. Hello,
Hey.
you from Israel?
Yes.
Mantap. Israel, payah. Israel, penjajah. Wah, mantap. You from Haifa? Yeah.
No.
You from where?
Tel Aviv.
Oh, Tel Aviv. Waduh, parah ente. Is it safe over there?
What?
Is it peace over there? Is there any war in
No.
Palestine, in Israel?
War. We don't have a war, but כרגיל כזה, אתה יודע.
Oh, like that. Mantap. How to say I love you in Israel language?
אני אוהב אותך. או אני אוהבת אותך.
Anu ay botak. Palanya botak. Ada-ada aja ente Israel. Do you have a president? No.
No.
You have prime minister
Where from?
Oh, I'm from Singapore.
Singapore? What is
Singapore.
Where is this Singapore?
Singapore in Asia. Your geography is very suck. Your geography score is under KKM.
Okay. We between Asia and Europa.
Oh, Israel between Asia and Eropa.
Yes.
Oh, iya. Elah, tanah ngambil juga lu, tanah ngambil ya Palestina lu. Israel.
Ni hao.
Israel Pak ya. Woi, ni hao, Israel. Ni jiao shenme mingse.
啊，
好。
我的名字，我的名字是龙。
Oh, Silom. What the means Latif? Ni Chainar.
Mana dia kilo
Bingung lu.
Wait.
Ni Chainar.
You speak English?
No, I speak Chinese. Ni Chainar.
Chinese?
Chinese. Iya.
I thought maybe
Ente diajakin bahasa Cina nggak mau. Ini Chainar. Wo Chai ya Ciata.
Maka.
Maka. Gak ngerti lu. Udah, lu gak ngerti. Israel. You from Israel, Bang?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Sisa. Gitu.
Sisa.
Oh, gitu. You from Tel Aviv, Bang?
Right.
Are you from Tel Aviv? Waduh, Sisa. Mantap. You from Haifa?
Ada?
Are you from Haifa?
Lo.
No. You from Tel Aviv? Iya.
Yeah.
Oh, waduh, mantep Bang. Israel, penjajah.
Israel.
Aduh, cedok lagi deh. Cukur. Mantep, Bang. Iya dah, gue liatin nih cukur deh. Cukur, Mau cakep gak, Bang? Lu cukurin pakai roket Hamas, Bang. Gitu. Mantep, rambut lu makin hitam, ame muki-mukinya juga. Ini baru nih. Bang, halo. Waduh, you from Israel, Bang?
Happy Purim.
Are you army, Bang? Diem aja ente.
What?
Are you an army? Internet lu jelek. Payah. Israel, payah. Mantap, senang lagi. Israel penjajah. Israel tukang ambil tanah orang. Mantap. Aduh, Israel beban. Iya. Kayak Maguire lu. Tawi-tawi lagi lu. Itu. Aduh, sini lu ribet apa gue? Enggak ada yang Bang. Canda. Gitu. Aduh. Gitu, Bang. Physical distancing. Do you know roket Hamas? Do you know roket Hamas? Iya. Wih, dor kena muka ente. Lagi nge-live.
What's up?
Wih, Israel.
Israel.
Waduh, you from Israel. Tel Aviv ya?
What?
You from Tel Aviv? Yeah.
No.
You from where?
Beit Shean. It's from Israel.
Oh.
Next Beria in Afula.
Oh,
Haifa.
Apula, sebelah Pasar Rebo ya?
Afula.
Oh, iya betul. Lu main game? Do you play game?
Yeah, I play games.
What game?
GTA.
GTA doang lu. What else? PUBG.
No.
Payah lu kabari PUBG lu. PUBG yang di real life dong, lawan Hamas. Itu.
I don't play PUBG.
Fortnite. Fortnite.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, you don't play. You play GTA 5. Michael. Trevor.
What?
You
Huh?
play GTA 5.
Yeah.
Michael terus Trevor.
No.
Oh,
Online.
gitu. Mantep dah. Online.
Yeah.
Oh, online GTA 5. Yeah. Is there any war in Israel?
Any war?
War, with Palestine.
No.
No. Oh no, iya deh bagus dah, jangan war. Don't war.
They send rocket a little bit, but not too much, you know.
Oh gitu, iya bagus sudah, don't war. Don't sending roket.
We don't want to kill innocent people.
Pala lu pada mati lu baru bilang gitu.
No.
Don't war.
Wait.
Apa? What?
A lot of people say Israel is killing a child.
Memang iya, Panjul.
It's not true. But you
Oh,
know what happened? Palestine sent the rocket to Tel Aviv and killed a 5 years old boy. And they say we are killed the kids.
oh, ente masih kecil udah jago bohong.
5 years old boy.
Ah.
5 years.
Oh gitu. Iya dah. Percaya aja lah, kita percaya aja bapak lu. Kepala bapak kau kali. Gitu.
What?
Israel, payah.
Israel.
Israel, tukang ambil tanah orang.
Tukang.
Mantap. Israel, penjajah. Gitu.
Wait.
Ada lagi nih. Perempuan ini ya nih. Hello. You from Israel? Wah.
عمتك زي اليوتيوب شلسين.
Oh iya. You from Israel ya?
Yes, I'm from Israel.
Waduh, mantep. Israel penjajah. Wadah. Israel tukang ambil tanah orang. Mantap. Woi. Ada.
Palestine.
Waduh.
Palestine.
Woi, Israel terhina. Israel hina. Israel payah. Gitu. Mantap. Gue balas lo. Gitu.
Чё, блядь?
Israel payah.
Чувак,
Israel.
чувак.
Aku suka. Aku suka Hitler.
Apa suka? Ini suka ye, robot.
Langsung nyadar deh. Oh,